All right. It's one of those days where you're got a few minutes and you want to take advantage of that lapse in time. And what I like to do in those moments is come over to Agent AI and play around a little bit. And Dharmesh from HubSpot put this Webpage copy editor out, which is awesome. So what we're going to do here is we're going to see how we could look at one of our websites and just see if there's areas where we could be making it better. So let's go ahead to the Webpage copy editor and hire that agent. And we're going to put in the growth website. We're going to run that agent. And basically what this does is it's just going to review all the text on the page. It offers tips to enhance it for clarity and effectiveness, just so that it gets better communication and impact. So might help if I spell the website address properly. So let's start that again. There we go. So next it's looking at the website, it's analyzing it. It's gone through each section of the homepage and it's given some suggestions. So here, let's take a look. So hero section, current text, customers trust us to fix growing pains. We solve your business growth challenges. It's more specific and solution focused. I can see how that works. How it works. Okay. Very basic. Our simple 3-step process. It's more engaging and descriptive of what's happening. The service section, empowering growth through tailored solutions. Switch it up to custom growth solutions for your business. It's more direct and clear. Great website section. Great websites fuel growth. High performance websites that drive results. Again, more specific value proposition. Client success stories. Client success stories explore the impact of great things. We can switch that up to being real results. See how we've helped businesses grow. It's clear, more direct, and more on brand. Call to action. Your journey to unmatched success begins with a simple hello. To let's start your growth journey, book a free consultation. So it's more action oriented. It's pulled the fluff out. Micro lessons. Celebrate your growth with micro lessons. Switch to quick growth tips and strategic insights. It's more descriptive of the value that they're going to receive. I can see why that would be more applicable. And then service description, premium business representative coaching. Personalized business growth coaching. It's more professionally phrased. So less fluffy, more professional. Website feature. With HubSpot CRM, you can start growth smoothly. Switch that to seamlessly integrate with HubSpot CRM for enhanced growth. So it's just more polished. And general notes here. Many sections of the page use clear, effective language and don't require improvement. The main opportunities for improvement center around making the language more specific, action-oriented, and value-focused. Some technical terms can be simplified for better comprehension. The overall structure is good, but some headings could be more engaging. It's pretty good. It gives you a good start of areas that you could improve. They're not crazy. They're not out of this world. I think that they are actually quite useful. So what do you do with this now? You can go into actions here. You can actually, if you connect your Google Drive, you can have it create a Google document, but you have to connect that in your user profile first. All right, so there you have it. Actions you can take now, obviously run your homepage through this, run any sales pages through it, see if there's areas for improvement, put those in, and try and track them. And what you want to think now is like in 2024, we're coming to an end, but in general, your website copy isn't just competing with other websites anymore. It's up against AI generated content that's getting better every single day. It's up against users who are increasingly more sophisticated and they're able to spot generic messaging. And you got to think about your competitors who are always optimizing their copy as well. So every word on your site needs to work harder than ever. Think about it like this. If your website talks to every single visitor, works 24/7, 365, it never gets tired and never goes off script, shouldn't it be as good as it possibly can be? So if you're doing the set it and forget it, you've essentially got a brochure. But if you're constantly optimizing, constantly making changes, you have an ability to stand out from the crowd and see more results and ultimately grow. So challenge yourself, come in, grab Agent AI's website copy editor, throw your homepage in there, throw the pages that most people are visiting and see where there's opportunity for improvement. Take care. Thanks for watching.